Welcome back to the 73rd season of the UAAP. This is the match between the UST Tigresses and the Ateneo Lady Eagles. Now, over to the side of UST, it's one thing to win a championship and it's another thing to defend it. Coach Hack is really proud of what the team achieved, especially during the off-season. Modesty aside, UST has gotten 2 championships coming into season 73, and they certainly have got confidence enough for the whole season. In today's game, they will make sure to stop Ateneo's quick plays early on, and they have to be extra aggressive since Ateneo is a team with a very pesky defense and effective offense. Coach Hack doesn't want to impose pressure on the girls since this is the first game, and he wants them to get the feel of it and just step on the gas a little bit later. And if Ateneo went to Thailand for more stringent training, Coach Hack jokingly said, "We are training in Spain since day 1. And Mosian and España pala yun. I didn't get it the first time. Girls?
I had to look at Ma. I was like, Spain. Oh yeah,
Thank
España
you,
nga naman
Ma.
yun.
Tama nga naman. Nasa Spain naman din sila. Espanya nga lang.
Spain. And ito si Coach Hack nila talaga, new hairstyle. May mga jokes din on the side. Mamaya, sisipain ako yan.
Pierre Basho coming up with the name.
Much needed point there
That's
for
right.
the Lady Eagles. Right now, I think the Lady Eagles, they're just looking for yung tamang pwesto nila sa loob ng court. But,
She equalizes it with an error. So, useless yung 1 point na yun. I think stepping into the court itong Ateneo, a bit tentative. Whether, first set pa lang naman. So, let's see.
still the first set, some teams actually warm up during the early part of the
Ateneo is
game.
one of them. Ganun talaga sila.
But then
and Herbacio getting the line, taking that point. Acevedo, I'm sorry.
this lefty,
Yep.
the beauty of being a left-handed attacker. Yung blockers mo would have to adjust.
Mahirap i-block ang left-handed. You always have to be aware, no?
That's right. But with that, UST continues to score, and Ateneo is still unable to find a way to stop UST.
Hirotsuji now inside as USC commits another error on the serve. Rechano, one of the more popular players.
Of course, a lot of people are
A lot of
actually
following.
watching here and then waiting for them after the game to, get some autographs and get their pictures.
Hirotsuji, nice tip. Look at this once again. Very, very young and yet very matured on that last play. Panatikla swiping it, but violation is called against Ateneo, so it's USD's point. Camaleo now serve for USD, and we'll take a look at it once more, and a net violation on Kainglet.
From the back, with Herbacio.
Maizo blocked by Kainglet and Pascual. Oh, not enough height there on Panatikla to get that one. Bea Pascual getting that point.
Of course, Bea Pascual on her last
Yes, in her last playing year. Panatikla going cross court, but that goes long.
Not enough wrist action in that attack.
To serve for Ateneo. Of course, another girl who's really popular. Girlish look, pero pag nasa loob na ng
Nako.
court, pag pumala, is really one of the stronger spikers of Ateneo. Herbacio blocked.
Oh, good call made by Ferrer, tipping that ball over.
For read by Maru Panatikla on that last play. She thought it was going out already. But the line, and point goes to Ateneo. It's now 13-9, UST on top.
Oh,
Maybe did too much. Maru Panatikla.
it was such a big lead earlier.
Yun yung sinasabi mong diesel.
Oo, diesel engine itong Ateneo.
Open hit. Maruban at Tigla. Saved by Ateneo. Another chance for UST. And Di Makulangan.
Makulangan is one of the tall setters that we have here in the league.
Dumping that ball and getting that point. That deserves to take a look as you see it once again. What a beautiful dump ball coming from Reyes.
See the hand motion, no?
You know, that takes a lot of practice. Hindi madali gawin yun.
Oh, but
And another error on the serve.
disappointed with that. But
After
he's
that
still smiling.
nice play, an error on the serve by Rhea Di Makulangan. Well, according to Manny, si Coach Shaq de los Santos is putting no pressure on the girls kasi first day pa lang, first game. So let's see if they play without or with pressure. Gervasio bit wide on that open hit.
Of course, to add to that point, itong UST defending champions to, and you've seen how they performed last year. They were off to not a very good start. They've had a few losses here and there. Pero towards the end of last year's contest, talagang hinamon.
That's true, Ana.